What's the meaning of cement mixer? Cement mixer. Cement mixer.
Cement mixer. Cement mixer. A cement mixer is a device used in construction to mix cement, sand, and water into a consistent, homogeneous mixture. The machine typically consists of a rotating drum, which is often powered by an electric motor or an internal combustion engine. When the ingredients are added, the drum rotates, mixing the materials together until they reach a uniform consistency. This mixture can then be poured or applied to a building structure, where it will harden and dry, forming a strong and durable bond that helps to support the weight of the structure.